Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to create a new contract document using eSignatures in B12. By the end, you'll know how to create, prepare, and send a contract for signing. In the left sidebar menu, click eSignatures. Click Create a new document, then choose Blank Document. Enter a name for your document. Under the From section, you can customize the sender information. Click Add a Recipient to choose someone from your existing contacts, or click Add New to create a new contact. Upload the PDF document you want to send for signing. You can optionally add a signer pin for extra security. A signer pin requires all parties to enter a code before viewing and signing the document. For best security, share the pin with your client by phone or text rather than email. Scroll to the Next Steps section to control what happens after your client signs the document. You can customize the success message that appears after completion. From the Next Step dropdown, choose what happens next. You can choose none to stay on the same page and only display the success message. Select Complete a form to send the signer to another form. Click Schedule an appointment to open a scheduling form. You can choose Make a payment to send the signer to a checkout page. Select Redirect to another page to send them to a page or section on your website, an external website URL, or a media file. Make sure you complete any required details for the option you select, such as choosing a payment template if you enable payments. Once all required information is added, the Generate Document button becomes active. Click Generate Document to open the markup view. In the Recipients panel on the right, select a signer. Your fields will appear in green, and your client's fields will appear in blue. Drag and drop fields such as signature, date, or text fields onto the document. Resize or move fields as needed. Feel free to add the fields required for the document. When you're done customizing, click Send in the top right corner. The document will appear in your eSignatures dashboard with the status Sent. Both you and your client will receive an email from Xodo, B12's eSignature provider, with a secure link to view and sign the document. You'll receive notifications when your client opens and signs the document. Once all parties have signed, both you and your client will receive a PDF copy by email. The document status will update to signed. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.